Hey everybody, I'm Cameron Harris. A little bit about me. I'm going to school, of course, at BYU Idaho here, but on campus. I'm just taking this class for my business major. I'm actually doing business and communication, so trying to jam them both in together. I run a moving company here in Rexburg. It's called Manly Moving. So if you ever need to be moved, we got you covered. I'm married. I've been married for about two and a half years actually. We have two fun little dogs. They're Australian Kelpies. They keep us on our toes. No kids yet, but love off-roading. I've got a Toyota Tacoma that we take out and we go play in the snow or in the mud or rock crawling or whatever. So it's a lot of fun. The dogs like to run around on the trails while we drive, so we like doing that. I don't know, not much else I can say about me. Well, I guess there's a decent amount, but that's where I'll leave it. Thanks.